So good morning dear students. We are going to do the practical verification of this decoder IC 7442. So you can see here that this is the pin diagram of 7442. This is how we are going to give the connections. Okay. So you can see that when you separate it out in this way, the pins A, B, C, D, you are giving it in this order, D, C, B, A. It is 12, 13, 14 and 15 of 7442. And 1 to 11 pins are taken for 0 to 9 decimal inputs. 16 is the pin for VCC and 8 is the pin for ground. Now we'll see how we have given the connections. So here you can see that we have placed the IC. Now once we have placed the IC, the first step is to connect VCC and ground. So here you can see where is the VCC? VCC is 16 and ground is 8. So here you can see that this wire 16, pin 16 is connected to VCC. Here you can see the positive is given. Okay. And this is the pin 8. It is connected to ground. This is given as the ground. See here, I have taken from the negative of the fixed supply and taken a point here. And so I am connecting the pin 8 to ground. So first, when you fix an IC, the first step is to give the VCC and ground to that IC. Now, what is the next step? So now we have completed VCC and ground. What is the next step? We have to give 4 wires corresponding to the inputs. So pins 12, 13, 14 and 15. So here we have taken 4 green wires from pins 12, 13, 14 and 15 for giving the inputs D, C, B and A. Now what is the next step? We need to see the outputs. So what we can do? We can do a 10 resistor and LED arrangement first, then take the connections to that. So what are the connections? You have to take from pin 1 to 11 and connect it to the resistor. So you here all these white wires show that connections. From this IC, from pin 1, from here, pin 1 all way till pin 11. You have to take the connections and connect it in respective order to all the resistors and LEDs. It means that all these outputs are taken from these pins via resistors and LED. Okay, so these are the connections. So you may be asking why this connection is, because there is no connection, internal connection between these two parts of the breadboard. This is a jumper connecting to make the connection between these two sides. Okay, this is a jumper connection. Now we can test some of the cases in the truth table. So the first thing which you can note is this 7442 BCD to decimal decoder is an active low IC. It means that when you're giving the outputs in this order 0, 0, 0, 0, D, C, B, A in 0, 0, 0 order, the output LEDs will be in such a manner that it is corresponding to 0, right? Only the 0 will be not glowing, others will be high. So it is an active low. It means that 0 will be low. LED will not glow, others will glow. So we can test that case. We'll connect all the inputs to 0, 0, 0, 0 means it is ground. Now let us switch on the supply. Okay, now what has happened? You can see here that the first LED has not glown. What is the meaning of that? The same case has happened in the truth table. This remains active low, all others are active high. Okay, now let us see one more case. Let us check which case. Let us test this case. B. The pin corresponding to B input is connected to VCC 0010. Then 012. The third LED should be active low. It should not glow. So pin Here you can see that B is pin 14. 14 should be connected to VCC. You are going to change the connection. It is connected to VCC. You are switching on the supply. Yes, you can see that the third LED has gone down. The others are remaining. Now we'll demonstrate some other cases as well. See, here you can see this case 3 0 0 1 1. So 1 2 3 4, fourth LED has to go low. And here how is the wiring? B and A should be connected to VCC, other to ground. B and A to VCC means 15 and 14 to ACC. So here you can see that 15 and 14 has been connected to VCC, the other two 12 and 13 has been connected to ground. So you can see that the fourth LED 1 2 3 4, it has gone low. So we'll demonstrate one more case. We'll demonstrate the seventh case where DCBA is 0 1 1 1. The eighth LED should go down, should not glow. So C, B and A should be connected to VCC, 1 to ground. That is what we have done. Only one wire you have connected to ground, other 3 to VCCs. You can see here that the 8th LED has go down. 8th 0 malale start so it is the 8th LED. Okay.